even though it's a terrific honour to get this thing, I'm not a person that says I did this or I did that. Anything I ever did, I did it with other people behind me. I'd say about 35 years since I came to Mohill from Longford, yeah. I've been involved, underage and overage and ladies and gentlemen, everything, yeah. I married a Kerry man, Tom Lynch, a relation of the O'Shea's, but Lord of Mercy, he died, but he was very involved. And I've had all the officerships except chairman since I came here. And I'm bumming and bragging now about myself, but I just I stood in as first aid, and I washed jerseys and things like that, you know. But other people were doing it with me. So it was a pleasure. I love being part of the great organisation that's the GAA. You know, we all stand together in times of need. We had a very sad occasion when our very young player was killed in action, and everyone came together, and we put the pitch. We made an all-weather pitch since Philly died. His mother was a very good friend of mine. You know, it's now the Philip McGuinness Park in Mohill. It is very vibrant. The GAA, everyone is in the GAA. We've no other sport really. We have athletics, we have no soccer, but the GAA is the heartbeat of the community in Mohill.